Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today I will show you how to recover your Discord password. If you can't remember your password, then you can reset it using your email address or phone number. So let's see how it is done. First open the Discord app and then tap on the login button at the bottom of the page. Here you will see the account information. Below account information you will see two boxes. Tap on the first box and type in your email there. Since we don't know the password, we will skip the password box and tap on the forget your password which is right below it. Then you will see a menu box pop up which say that they had sent the instruction to change our password to our email. So we have to check both in inbox and spam folder. Then tap on the OK button and let's go back and check the email. Open the Gmail account. Let's refresh it. Here you can see the message has been sent to us. Tap on the email and scroll down and here you will see the reset password button that has a bluish purple background. Tap on that. And here you will see the new password type in box filled. Tap on that and set your new password. Then tap on the change password button right below it. Here you have successfully changed the password. Then tap on the continue to Discord button that you will see on the page. Again tap on login and type in your password here now. Then tap on the login button right below it which has a bluish purple background. Here you can see you have successfully recovered your password. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.